Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: account, payment method, and any organization code. Do this now so nothing blocks checkout. Open the app and sign in. Once done, tap the Wallet or Account tab to verify your payment source and billing address. Make sure to enable notifications so you see order confirmations and e-cards instantly. You need enrollment or school details entered when applicable. This connects purchases to the correct program. These first steps remove friction and prevent failed transactions later. You now pick the gift cards. Search or browse categories and choose the exact retailer and format, physical or e-gift. Once selected, set the amount. You can often choose preset values or enter a custom dollar amount. Add to cart, then tap checkout. Review delivery method, any processing fees, and expected delivery time because that determines whether you need e-gift now or a mailed card later. Enter promo codes or special notes. Then confirm payment method and authorize the charge to complete the purchase. You finish by confirming the order and saving the confirmation ID. Once done, open order history to monitor status and access e-gift codes or tracking. For e-gifts, copy the code right away and send it where needed. For physical cards, use tracking to estimate arrival. If something goes wrong, failed payment, missing code, or wrong card, first retry the payment or restore network. Then contact Raise Right Support with the confirmation ID. That speeds resolution and prevents duplicate charges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.